Standard Project Bandaloop rig. We're anchoring off the window washing steel. The window washing anchors run completely around the building. Sometimes they're I-beams, sometimes they're davits. Either way, we're using steel GAC-Flex. GAC-Flex steel span sets. These are not synthetic span sets, these are lined with steel, so they're stronger and fireproof. And you can see the round GAC-Flex is doubled around these beams. We're using aluminum oval carabiners in redundancy, reversed and opposed. Aluminum locking carabiners, easy access. Additionally, we will use steel locking carabiners, but not usually in an outdoor application. There's 4 span sets here, each with 2 sets of carabiners to double 8 knots for our dancer ropes, so that 2 strands of rope are taking the weight, less wear and tear on our rope shield. We'll often be able to throw in a backup. In this case, instead of multiple davits, we have 2 rows of window washing anchors. So though this one is in front of the main anchor system, it still acts as a backup for us. If something were to be flawed in 4 different span sets, this anchor would only fall to here, which would be a 3-foot shock load. We never anticipate that because obviously we have intense redundancy here. Window washing anchors at steel I-beam strength and span sets that hold a combination of 10,000 pounds just with 2 sets, and we have 4. So again, double span sets, quadruple oval clip points, double rope knot system into the dancer rope over the parapet wall. The farther away we can put anchor from parapet wall makes it easier for the dancer to be able to pull in and connect to the rope, load the rope, without ever having to mess with the anchor or change the anchor. Acrylic tubing to protect the parapet wall edge, protecting both the wall and the rope. Rope, when dancer is loaded on the wall, never touches the wall. Acrylic tubing acts as a shield. Acrylic tubing is fixed with a very loose connection, sometimes carabiner, sometimes just tie line, never loaded. This is 10-pound strength, it'll break. We'll never take a load, never a live load. The weight of the rope and the weight of the dancer keep the tube in place. This is for when there's no one on it. Anchor systems are typically the same all the way down. In this case, we had 8 dancers. So you see redundant, double rope, double span set, GAC-Flex anchor systems all the way down. In some cases, we will link dancer to dancer as an additional backup. You see how the tail of each rope carries on to the next rope. So everyone is in some way connected. Any one thing that fails has, if not 2 backups, a 3rd down the line.